What if one country could take you from loud, colorful street markets to silent desert dunes where nothing moves except the wind? Morocco is a place where every corner feels like a different world. From ancient cities filled with maze-like streets to peaceful blue mountain towns and endless golden deserts. In today's video, we shall guide you through everything you need before visiting Morocco, so your journey becomes smooth, safe, and unforgettable. From travel rules and cultural tips to hidden mistakes and must-see places, this guide will help you explore Morocco with confidence and enjoy every moment without confusion. 2. Why visit Morocco? Morocco is one of those rare countries where travel feels like stepping through different time periods in a single trip. One moment you are in a modern city with cafes and trains, and the next you are inside old stone streets that feel centuries away from today's world. The country is known for its strong mix of culture, desert landscapes, ocean towns, and mountain villages. Every region has a different personality. Some places are loud and full of energy, while others are quiet, slow, and peaceful. Food, architecture, and daily life are deeply traditional, shaped by history and local customs. Markets are filled with handmade goods, spices, and colors that feel almost unreal. Beyond cities, nature changes quickly from green hills to dry deserts and coastal winds. This mix of experiences makes Morocco feel like multiple destinations in one journey, perfect for travelers who want variety in every step. 3. Before you go. Before traveling to Morocco, a few important things can make your trip much easier and stress-free. Cash plays a major role in daily life. While hotels and larger restaurants accept cards, most local shops, markets, and taxis work only with Moroccan currency. Keeping small bills ready is always helpful for smooth payments. Tipping is also part of daily culture. Small tips are expected in restaurants, cafes, and for service workers, so carrying loose change helps during the trip. Navigation inside old city areas can be confusing. Many historic districts have narrow, winding streets where normal map apps do not always work well. Offline map tools are often more reliable for walking routes. Dress style matters in many places. Morocco is a traditional country, so modest clothing is recommended, especially in non-tourist areas. It helps you blend in and respect local culture. Finally, drinking water safety is important. Bottled or filtered water is usually the safer choice for travelers. 3. Best places to visit. Morocco offers a journey where every city feels like a different world, blending ancient history, desert landscapes, mountain towns, and coastal beauty into one unforgettable route. One of the most famous stops is Marrakech, a city full of energy, color, and constant movement. Its central square comes alive in the evening with food stalls, music, and street performances, while nearby palaces and gardens show a quieter, more elegant side of the city. Fez feels completely different, almost like stepping back in time. Its old city is a maze of narrow streets where artisans still work using traditional methods. Leather workshops, handmade crafts, and centuries-old learning centers reflect a deep historical identity that still lives today. Chefchaouen offers a peaceful escape in the mountains. The entire town is painted in soft blue shades, creating a calm atmosphere perfect for slow walks, photography, and quiet exploration surrounded by fresh mountain air. In the desert region, Merzouga opens the door to the Sahara experience. Here, endless sand dunes stretch into the horizon, and camel rides at sunset create one of the most iconic travel moments in the country, followed by nights under a sky full of stars. Essaouira brings a coastal contrast with ocean winds, historic stone walls, and a relaxed seaside lifestyle. Fresh seafood, artistic streets, and a calm harbor atmosphere make a refreshing stop after inland travel. Together, these destinations show Morocco's full diversity, from busy cities and ancient medinas to peaceful mountains, deserts, and ocean towns. 4. Food you must try. Food in Morocco is rich, aromatic, and deeply connected to tradition. Meals are often slow-cooked, full of spices, and shared among family and guests, making food an important part of daily life rather than just a quick activity. One of the most famous dishes is tagine, a slow-cooked meal prepared in a clay pot with meat, vegetables, and a mix of spices that create deep and rich flavors. Another popular dish is couscous, often served during gatherings and special days, prepared with vegetables and tender meat. Street food is also a big part of daily culture, especially in busy markets where grilled meats, fried snacks, and fresh bread are easy to find. Mint tea is another daily tradition, served almost everywhere as a symbol of hospitality and welcome. In coastal areas, fresh seafood is common, especially in towns like Essaouira, where fish is grilled and served right by the harbor. Food in Morocco is not rushed. It is enjoyed slowly, often with conversation and shared moments. 5. Things tourists should never do. Travelers should avoid entering local markets without understanding the bargaining culture, as prices are usually flexible and negotiation is part of the shopping experience. Being impatient, overly strict, or aggressive during bargaining is not well received and can create a negative interaction with sellers. It is also important not to ignore local dress customs, especially in traditional towns, rural areas, and religious places. Wearing modest clothing helps show respect for local values and also reduces unwanted attention while exploring. Public behavior should remain calm and polite, as loud conversations or disruptive actions in quiet neighborhoods can feel inappropriate in daily life settings. Always ask before taking photos of people, especially in markets or cultural spaces, as this is seen as respectful behavior. Avoid accepting unofficial guides in busy tourist areas, as some may mislead travelers or overcharge for simple directions. It is always safer to rely on trusted transport services, verified guides, and clear travel information. 6. Common tourist mistakes. Many travelers make the mistake of focusing only on big cities like Marrakesh or Casablanca and completely missing smaller towns and rural areas that offer deeper cultural experiences and more authentic daily life. These quieter places often show the real heart of Morocco in a much more personal way. Another common mistake is underestimating travel time. Distances between mountains, deserts, and coastal regions can be longer than expected, and road travel is not always fast. So rush planning can reduce the overall experience. Some visitors also depend too heavily on standard navigation apps, which often fail inside old medinas, where streets are narrow and confusing. Not preparing offline maps can lead to unnecessary stress while walking. Another issue is not planning cash usage properly. Many local markets, taxis, and small shops only accept cash, so running out of local currency can create inconvenience. A slower, flexible travel plan always works better in Morocco, giving more time to enjoy each destination instead of rushing through it. 7. Safety tips. Morocco is generally safe for travelers, but staying alert and aware of surroundings makes the journey smoother and more comfortable. In busy areas like markets, medinas, and transport stations, keeping bags and valuables close is important, as crowded spaces can attract unwanted attention. When traveling to desert or mountain regions, weather conditions can shift quickly, especially with heat, wind, or sudden temperature drops. Checking local forecasts before heading out helps avoid unexpected situations and ensures safer planning for outdoor activities. Using trusted transport options is always recommended, particularly for long-distance travel or unfamiliar routes. In larger cities and tourist zones, it is better to rely on official taxis or prearranged services instead of random offers. Respecting local customs and following advice from local guides or hosts also improves safety and helps create a more positive experience. Simple awareness, patience, and preparation go a long way in making travel across Morocco safe, smooth, and enjoyable from start to finish. 8. Daily budget. Travel costs in Morocco vary depending on travel style. Budget travelers can manage around $30 to $60 per day using local food, basic accommodation, and public transport. Mid-range travel usually falls between $80 to $150 per day, including comfortable hotels, guided tours, and restaurant meals. Luxury travel can go beyond $250 per day, especially in cities like Marrakesh or desert resorts where private experiences and premium stays are common. Morocco is a destination where every step brings a new atmosphere, from busy ancient cities to silent deserts and calm coastal towns. It is a country full of color, history, and culture that feels alive in every corner. With proper planning, it becomes one of the most memorable travel experiences in the world. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed travel guides and tips.